Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Kali Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Kalo 0. I'm joined by my brother Ikamabanu. Yeah.
Hey, Tibos.
Yeah.
We are Kumbula Tegwin.
Yeah.
And it's Richard Spray.
Yeah.
What's in the mean?
What's in
What is Sazoban Janes win? Sazoban Nandis win first.
Yes. Yeah.
I'm a Sanda one.
Yeah.
What all about 40 in a little Saiton? Bansi Manabafan and Fred, yes. Bansi Manabafan.
Yeah.
Bansi Chagangan. Yeah. I want to train with us.
Yeah.
Batigangan. I was a seven.
Masha Changin Mulan.
All of to Nala Pagat to be by a winner now.
Yeah.
But the next policy or coach Bang Sabo. But you of it.
Yeah.
Hey, Sazoban Nandis win.
Yeah.
In the final, my figure was Chablin.
Yeah.
My brother was Manga, the 7 Megashi.
Yeah.
Hey, Basos Bullet Samo Sugar.
Bazos Bulani.
Basos Bullet Samo Sugar. You're Shiny Pirate.
Yabulala.
About Bias. You're Shiny Pirate.
Yabulala.
It's Sazo Nuga Honko Muntu.
Yeah.
In 16,
Yeah.
Sazon Sharp.
Tango.
Pirates yashana
It's him.
Ikalam my final life 5 even ngama extra time yashayana yona.
Contact the end of the journey.
Congratulations Bangane.
As long as it's Operation Tega sharp. Operation Tata Zone.
Thank you, good man. Thank you. Thank you. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?